Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to go over and troubleshoot this ULTRALOQ. So unfortunately the fingerprint somehow when it's hot weather, and then it will allow you to read the fingerprint and open the door. And when it's not too hot, the fingerprint, it doesn't even read at all or beep. So it seems like a lot of people are having this problem or issue. So gotta see how we fix it. I'm not sure it's only apply to hot weather or summertime or winter time. I think during winter time it was fine, and some of the owners that they changed the battery, and that also did not fix it. So I did the same thing. I thought the battery was low, and I changed it to a fresh new set of battery, and it wasn't working. But I noticed that when the hot weather, when the sun's out, and it works. Okay. So as you can see right now, the sun is not hitting this lock. So right now it's locked. I try to put my fingerprint. It's not reading anything. So I'm not sure if the touch sensitivity is only work during like a hot weather, what's going on. So, but the keypad works. See, it's not beeping. Alright, so I'm going to use this power bank to plug it under the ULTRALOQ. Size it. By the way, the wider angle goes toward the door, okay? In case you want to know how to plug it in. You don't want to force it. If you force it too much and insert the wrong way, you're gonna mess up that plug. Alright, so after I plug it in, and it's still not reading my finger, so yeah, so unfortunately this sensor, it went bad. So you need to buy another one from ULTRALOQ. I'm not sure how much they charge, but probably not even worth it unless you can find on the eBay a used one or something. Let me go check it out and see. Unfortunately, when I tried to test out when the sun was out, and now when the sun is going down, it's no longer making the sound anymore. So anyway, you need to purchase this fingerprint scanner. I saw it on the eBay, but I will need to change my key. But unfortunately, the one that they sell on eBay doesn't come with the key, so I'm not sure. Hopefully the wire is not cut, but I don't think so. We hardly open this anyway, so. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.